This elegant restoration project began as a small installation of sand cushion terrazzo in this church built in 1880. During demolition, it was discovered that the utility tunnels running beneath the sanctuary were on the verge of collapse, so the entire floor area had to be excavated to complete the renovations. The Terrazzo Contractor worked with the project team to design an epoxy terrazzo system to be installed on the new concrete subfloor. The contractor delivered a well-executed, beautifully appropriate installation that complements the interior design. The geometric pattern in 5 colors was all poured in place. The Terrazzo Contractor took into account historic building techniques and materials, religious considerations, and artistic intent while implementing the latest technology and practices. A digital layout tool guided strip placement with perfect accuracy on 90-degree intersections and emblems along the 150-foot central aisle and 95-foot side aisles. In front of the altar, embedded into the floor beneath the terrazzo, is a relic of a saint, with a terrazzo cover and a brass crucifix adorning it. Continuing the design from the central path up to the altar with vertical strips is an appealing detail. The contractor on this splendid installation in St. Joseph Catholic Church in Jasper, Indiana, is Midwest Terrazzo of Evansville, Indiana.